Let's turn these beautiful sweet potatoes into... Welcome back, everybody. I'm Andre, and today's inspiration actually comes from a friend of mine, Mike, which was for actually a different product, but I'm going to turn these sweet potatoes into a jerky. Something that any vegan, vegetarian, any meat lover, anybody can eat, and I'm going to show you how. Compared to my beef jerky, this is so simple. It's actually pretty awesome. So I've washed these sweet potatoes. There's nothing special about them. I am going to just cut off anything that doesn't look nice. And what I do, I cut them in half just because they're easier to handle. And now I'm just going to slice them probably into about a 1/4 inch thick piece. You don't want to go too thick. And you want to try and cut them uniform. That way they're all going to be done at the same time in the smoker. I've got them in 2 bowls. I'm going to do 2 different versions. I'm going to do a plain version, which I'm actually putting nothing on. And the other one, I'm going to use my brisket rub, which is garlic, ancho, pepper, and salt. I'm just going to put it on. And mix them up. And try and keep them in the bowl. That is all we're doing. It is that simple. I don't need to use any binders or anything like that. Let's put them in the smoker. So all I'm going to do the plain ones first. Just get them on here. If they touch on the sides a bit, that's fine. They will shrink up. And now we're going to do the spiced ones. And they can be right beside each other. You can definitely tell them apart. That's not a problem. Okay, there we go. Honestly, people, it's that simple. They're in there now. The smoker's at 200. They're going to cook about 2 to 2.5 hours. That should be max at that temperature. You don't want to really do it too hot. I'm going to come back at 2 hours just to check them. But it's honestly, people, it is that simple to make this, and you're going to be very surprised with the outcome. It's a pretty awesome jerky alternative for all you vegans and vegetarians out there. We're back inside. It's just easier to finish off. These things are looking fantastic. So we've got the seasoned ones here, the non-seasoned one here. They are very dry, but that's okay. That's what we want. These ones maybe a little bit more moisture, but that's okay. They look fantastic. I've had feedback from people already, and they really like them. Sweet potatoes aren't my favorite thing to eat, but I'm definitely partial to the seasoned ones because just that flavor. It's so good with that flavoring on it because I'm so used to it because that's my brisket flavoring. No, it's really good. Gotta try them. And flavoring wise, you can do whatever you want to them, whatever you like. If you just want to put salt on them, salt and pepper, go crazy, put some cayenne or whatever. Make them yours. But this is a simple do-it-yourself thing for any vegan, vegetarian, non-meat eater. Fantastic snack. So just a quick recap. These took 2.5 hours today, which is right in my window, which is perfect. So actually, you can do quite a bit in one day if you really want to. Because I got lots of room in the smoker and I could fill up all those racks and make a ton. And yeah, that's what I've come up with. Also, one other thing, Mike's dog really likes the smoked ones. So I'm gonna bring some over to Mike and make his dog happy. Hope you had fun with this one. Thanks for watching and happy eating.